If you've ever wondered if it's feasible to make money by watching videos, whether on YouTube or on TV, then this highly informative and helpful video is for you. It investigates the facts behind this, whether it works, how it works, the many ways it works, and even shows as many as 7 sites and services that truly pay you to view YouTube videos. Getting paid to watch YouTube videos on YouTube or even on TV is a popular way for people to get money online these days. While many people are already familiar with YouTube, if you aren't, it is an online video sharing service that is making a lot of money. It is owned by Google and has quickly become the go-to video sharing tool for both people and corporations. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Without further ado, let's begin. Is it possible to get paid to watch videos? Yes, you absolutely can. It may appear to be a hoax, but it is not. Even if you don't spend all day watching movies, it is one of the hobbies that can earn you money. The issue is, if you're going to watch videos on YouTube anyhow, why not get paid for it? Some of the films may be entertaining and even educational to you. Getting rewarded for your work becomes a tremendous benefit and potentially a source of residual income this way, even if you just get paid a small amount. So certainly, if you're looking for a way to generate additional money online, viewing YouTube videos could be one option. For those who are still wondering, yes, it is possible to earn money by viewing YouTube videos. Yes, you may get money by simply viewing videos on YouTube. There are numerous websites and programs that will pay you to view videos. I've done a lot of research to bring you some of the greatest ones as well as how they function. While some of them pay with gift cards, many others pay cash directly to your PayPal account, allowing you to make money with PayPal. MyPoints is the first website on this list. MyPoints rewards you in the form of points for viewing movies, taking surveys, printing coupons, and playing games. Your points can be redeemed for free gift cards, PayPal cash, and even travel miles. The minimum withdrawal amount on the site is roughly $3, depending on the option you select, which is not too tough for most users to meet given the number of ways to earn on the platform. It's worth noting that MyPoints offers 2 apps, the regular MyPoints mobile app and Daily Scoop, which is solely dedicated to video content. Unfortunately, Daily Scoop is only available for Android smartphones, and some users have complained that it does not always offer a complete inventory of films. Spending at least $20 using the MyPoints cashback shopping site will earn you a $10 sign-up bonus. Vindale Research comes next. Vindale Research is a large internet survey company. It offers customers the ability to watch a brief film and then take an accompanying survey via Vindale Video. However, because there are a limited amount of these types of surveys, it's a fantastic site to join up for and then keep an eye out for high-paying chances. In other words, they don't have the big inventory that a site like Swagbucks does, so you're unlikely to find films to watch on a daily basis. However, when video surveys are available, they are usually among the higher-paying alternatives on this list. Furthermore, Vindale is well known for its long-form surveys, some of which pay up to $50 upon completion. This makes it easy to meet rather than high minimum payment level of $50. Vindale does not have an app, but its mobile-optimized website allows you to watch films on both your PC and your smartphone. Another service that will pay you in points for taking surveys, watching movies, searching the internet, playing games, buying, and completing other online actions is Creations Rewards. You will also be rewarded for referring friends. The videos on this website are frequently interspersed with commercial advertisements or product offers. Movie trailers and TV shows are examples of this. You will be able to observe and do easy tasks on each. While some will require you to offer your opinion after watching, others may only require you to watch for a few seconds in order to gain points. Your reward points can then be converted into PayPal cash or gift cards. YouCubes is the next website. YouCubes is a corporation that specializes in marketing and advertising. Its primary goal is to ensure that clients receive a set number of views on their advertisements or promotions within a specified time frame. This website also hires people to watch movies, answer surveys, and perform other jobs such as website browsing. Clients pay YouCubes for a certain number of views, and YouCubes then pays people like you a share of the money given by clients to watch films and do other activities. InstaGC will also pay you to view videos and accomplish other tasks such as surveys, offers, and online shopping. On a daily basis, you will have access to hundreds of different films, and you will be able to view and earn as much as you want. InstaGC truly awards points for each video or assignment completed. You will receive 1 point for watching 5 full videos. On this platform, 1 point is worth 1 penny. As a result, the more videos you watch, the more points you earn. Points can be traded for gift cards and cash instantly. Cash payments are fast and can be made by check, PayPal, or Payza. Another platform or app that will reward you for simply watching movies is Instant Rewards. In addition to videos, you will receive quick incentives for downloading additional apps and completing surveys. You can earn extra money in your bank account every month by using this software. On average, you might earn between $10 and $15 every month. Yes, it's not much, but it can build up over time if done consistently. After installing this app on your smartphone, simply press a button and follow the on-screen instructions to download your videos. Paid to YouTube is another popular platform where YouTube viewers may earn money. If you want to make money doing something you already do, viewing YouTube videos on your phone or laptop, Paid to YouTube might be the place to sign up. The reward for watching a video is 0.005 cents. That's not much, and it won't make you rich, but it can build up over time. If you want to do more, you can still leave comments on videos, rate videos, and make referrals. These extra chores can help you make more money than simply watching movies. In the following steps, Paid to YouTube enables you to earn money by viewing YouTube videos. You begin by going to the website and clicking on the register button. You will then be directed to the registration page where you will enter your information. To log in, you must establish a username and password. After you've created an account, you can log in to view your user or member section. Then, on the top menu, select the Surf Videos option to be led to a page where you can click on the videos that display. You can view the video for at least 30 seconds or leave it running in the background for a while. For each video you watch, your account will be rewarded with 0.005 cents. You can view as many videos as you want and cash out when you hit a $10 threshold. Yes, you can be paid directly to your PayPal account. To begin earning, you must strictly adhere to the directions provided by these programs or websites. The more videos you watch, the more likely it is that you will earn more money from these sites. Each site will have its own unique earning scheme, so spend some time on each to learn exactly how they function and how to get the most out of your efforts. The video watching sites that pay people mentioned in this video are well known. They give members the option of streaming various types of videos, movies, or TV shows. You can watch each tape for a few seconds before leaving comments, ratings, feedback, and so on. Some of the videos promote advertisements and the sponsors pay the marketers, who in return reward you for watching the video and accomplishing specified activities. So, that's it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.